Hello guys, welcome to today's video. Today is a bit of a special one and it's not really that much to do with the van. Basically, Gabby's birthday is coming up soon and she hasn't got a bike. So I want to try and rectify this situation so that we can go on bike rides together. Now I know she does like cycling and she's had bikes in the past. She's never really had a mountain bike and I've been searching for a while for a second-hand decent spec bike. Now the one I'm going to look at is a 2008 Kona Lisa ladies bike. It's a small frame. Gabby's not that tall, so the frame should be just the right size for her. It's got some locking front forks, SR Sontour, but I think they're quite good. They look pretty robust, the forks. A SRAM GX derailleur, as well as some other nice bits and pieces on the bike. So I've just arrived here in this beautiful town called Malmesbury, and it's actually stunning here. All of the buildings are built in this stone and it's just stunning. I've just driven for a couple of hours to get here, but hopefully the bike is decent. I'm gonna go and view it now and hopefully I can get it for a good price and then I'll check back in with you guys. Well, I just got the bike, guys. I think I got a reasonable deal on it. Here it is. So it's a Kona Lisa HT. It's got white wheels, as I said. Some nice beefy suspension, 100mm travel. So yeah, it's good to go. It's been serviced and I can't wait to give it to her. But her birthday's not for a couple of weeks, so I'm not sure when I'm gonna give it to her yet, but we'll see. Okay guys, so welcome back to inside the garage. The first thing I'm going to do is install this bottle holder. I've got these nice little pink bottle holder bolts. Now the next thing I'm going to do is replace these grips. You can see these ones are a bit old and tatty, and I've bought these new pink ones. They're pink marble effect. So now I just need to tighten them up. These bolts in the stem are looking a bit past their best, so I've bought these new anodized, I think they're called like anodized effect bolts, and they'll just give the stem a bit of a nicer, fresher look. Something else that I quite like to do is just to paint up these clamps from the brake levers. I'm just going to remove these and then give them a quick rub down and a quick spray with some matte black paint. Okay guys, that's it for today. I don't want Gabby getting suspicious and I think she's just got out of the shower. So I'm going to go back inside now, have some breakfast and stuff, and I'll check in with you later. Hello guys, today's a new day and it's the day before Gabby's birthday. So she's just upstairs on a call. So this is the perfect time for me to load her bike into the van and install the axle mount in the back of the van. I've given it a nice clean. I've degreased the chain, re-greased it, and it's all ready to go. I can't wait to give it to her. I don't think she's ever had a mountain bike before, so this is going to be quite exciting. But anyway, let's go to the van. Hopefully she can't see me up there. So this is the axle mount that I've got for hers. It's actually, you can put a padlock through it, so that's handy. It's made by the same company that mine is over there, Delta, but this is a quick release one. I'm going to put this mount around there somewhere, and then mine will be there. The pedal will go in behind the water tank, and hopefully they won't touch. Okay guys, it's getting a bit later now, but finally I've put them in. I figured out a way of raising up the hitch for Gabby's bike on a couple of blocks of wood, just to give me enough clearance up here so that I could slide my frame underneath her bars before it was catching and I couldn't get my bike far enough across. But now I can, and there's still plenty of space for storage in the middle there. I'm now going to take out the bikes, go and put Gabby's back in the garage before I go for a walk and go and pick some flowers from the marsh, and then I'll be able to reveal it to her tomorrow morning. I can't wait. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Couple Chris. Happy birthday to you. Gab's just got her new Patagonia bum bag, and I think she likes it.
Yes.
Yes. And now we're going to go outdoors somewhere and go and do some thing.
Can't wait to see what it is.
So we're just about to head off. Are you excited to see where we're going?
Yes! Yay! We're going to pick strawberries! Woohoo!
Should we go?
Yeah!
Let's go strawberry picking. Just started raining, so we're gonna get our kit on. We've got our Gore-Texes. And Gabby's enjoying her bum bag still. Okay guys, just while Gabby's on the phone to her brother, I thought I'd let you know what the plan of action is today. She's opened one gift, and that was the Patagonia bum bag. She has no idea about the bike at all. So she's had one gift, and then we're doing the strawberry picking now, and then we're gonna go home. She'll have her other gifts, surprise her with the bike, and then we're gonna make our way to my parents' place. But until then, we're gonna go strawberry picking, and there's all sorts of stuff you can pick here: strawberries, broad beans, flowers, like loads and loads of stuff. So yeah, it should be really nice. I'll leave a link to this place in the description below. I can't remember what it's called at the moment. Yeah. I've not brought the gimbal with us, guys, because it just started raining. So yeah, we want to be careful that it doesn't get wet. So hopefully it's not too shaky by hand. So unfortunately, we've just found out that there's not many strawberries here. They're quite small. They can be found if we really want them, but they actually have some strawberries for sale in the little farm shop that they grow in the polytunnels. Oh. But they've told us that there's loads of raspberries available, so we're going to go and get raspberries instead. Do you want to go and get raspberries? Raspberries! Raspberries.
The harvest is good. Look at how many strawberries. I mean, raspberries we've got.
Oh yes, we just got some lovely fresh raspberries and strawberries and some cream. We also got some meringue. Did you enjoy it?
Yes, I really enjoyed it. It was so nice to be outside and pick your own raspberries. We didn't find many strawberries, but we bought some anyway.
Yeah. Yay! Now we're gonna head home or to the beach. Do you want to go to the beach?
It's a bit cloudy, but I would love to go to the beach.
You'd love to go to the beach. Yes. Okay, let's go to the beach. Did you enjoy the beach?
I enjoyed the beach so much. I love swimming. I could swim every day if I could.
Well, so far so good.
It's such a good day. It's the best day. I love it. So good.
Should we head home?
Let's head home.
You can have a shower.
Have a shower, have a cup of tea.
Open some more presents. Okay guys, super happy that Gabby likes the bike. I'm going to load them in the back now and then we're going to head to my parents. We've just arrived at my parents' place. We're just going to get some lunch ready and then go in the back garden and enjoy it with them.
Yep, you can see some potatoes boiling and some eggs boiling. We are making a Lithuanian dish, which is a cold beetroot soup. and in Lithuania we call it šaltibarščiai.
I really like this soup. It's the first time that my parents are going to have it, so we'll see what they think.
Yeah, well, I actually kind of lied a bit. We made it last night. All we're doing now is boiling potatoes and eggs to go with it. So the soup's already done. It's in the fridge. Done it last night, so we just need to serve it. And yeah, I hope they like it because it's my favorite dish in the summer.
And here's my mum over there, and my dad sitting down. Or some more gifties. Keep your eyes closed.
My eyes are closed.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Gabby. Happy birthday to you. Wait. Yay!
There we are. Thank you. Wow. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh, it's climbing. It's a climbing wall.
We couldn't stand it on the end because we thought
amazing.
No, I'm frightened it'll slide off.
I get
It's a climbing wall.
Yeah. Oh, it's fantastic. Oh, that's so cool. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
New bike time.
I'm going. I like it. Morning. We just slept in the van. It was actually such a good sleep. Slept really well. Didn't wake up once. Even though there's construction works right on the other side of the road, we just slept so well. Can't believe it. Van's the best.
Yeah, super comfy. And we had both the roof lights open, and it was like perfect temperature, but the light didn't wake us up. You usually wear an eye mask, but it was fine even for me. But it was nice, really good sleep. We went for a little ride last night. It was only like 4 kilometers or something, but just around a couple of fields near here.
Literally around the fields, like as in the field. Just going with the bike, catching all the grasses, and it was getting a little bit dark, but it was good to try the bike.
Okay, my shoulder is starting to ache now, but we're gonna have some breakfast, go and see my parents in their back garden, go and have some breakfast, and yeah, we'll catch you later.
Oh, hello there!
Good morning, Mum.
You're on YouTube!
Hello.
Did you sleep well?
Yes, very well.
Good.
Very well.
I'm going now.
It's wasting time for breakfast.
Yay.
See you in a minute.
See ya. This is my parents' camper van. They got this just around the same time that we got our old Transit, but this is in incredible condition. It's got 30,000 miles on it.
Should we do a little tour of Sam's parents' van?
Maybe.
If they allow us.
If you'd like to see a tour of the van, then let us know in the comments.
Thank you so much for watching the video. Thank you for joining us along a vlog. We've got lots of exciting things coming up. We won't tell you now, but please stay tuned. Click subscribe if you haven't yet. Like the video, and you'll keep up to date, and you'll know what we're gonna do, because that's gonna be really exciting. I'm so excited. I'm gonna explode.